This is a hack you can use to close multiple apps at once. And I say hack because there's no option that allows you to close all the apps. If I swipe up from the bottom, we see all the apps here. If you have a home button on your phone, just double tap that or double click that. And you see all the apps on here. And there's no way to close them all at once at the moment, unfortunately. But you can close them one at a time. That's fine. But the hack to close multiple at once is use multiple fingers. So I can close both of these. See how I'm grabbing both of those and moving them up at the same time? You can even use 3 fingers. It takes a little practice, but eventually you get pretty good at it. And clearly I'm not. I've got the zoom function turned on, which is also activated with 3 fingers. So if you don't have the zoom function turned on, this shouldn't be a problem for you. I better stick with 2 fingers. And if you find that your phone is slower than it used to be or slower than you think it should be, it might have malware or a virus on it. This video is going to help you figure out whether that's true, and if there is malware or a virus, how to fix it. So check out that video. And if you liked the video you just watched, like and subscribe and let me know, and I'll see you on this one.